This video we're gonna show you how to remove the steering wheel airbag. This is a GR86. It should be the same thing with the BRZ, and this is a 22 and up model, so up to 25 I think it's all the same. So I have the steering wheel off just to show you how it is in the back. I just kind of struggle to show you when it's installed in place, so this kind of give you a better idea. So on the back, this is what you're gonna see. So you're going to want to remove these plastic covers. They're going to be on both sides. You could just use a little flathead and they pop right out. And make sure you turn off the battery, disconnect the battery when you're messing with the airbag system, and just keep that in mind. So we're using a flathead. So you're going to have to press on these right here. And it's going to release them out of that little pin right there. It's already popped out. So now we're gonna do the opposite sides. Okay, there you go, popped out. Now we have one more right here. Let me see how to get you a better shot of this one. Okay. So our airbag is already disconnected, but you're gonna have these plugs, so just don't pull it out just yet. You're gonna have to disconnect the clock spring airbag wires, and I'll show you what those are right now. So this is the steering wheel in the car right now. So you're gonna have these plugs right here, orange and black. What you do is you pop out with a tiny little flathead these yellow clip locks, or plug locks. Once you lift them up, these things pretty much just come out. They're pretty easy. Sometimes when they blow airbags, they get melted in the airbag. You can't really save them. You're gonna have to cut them off, replace them, replace the clock spring, however you want to choose to do that. But it's pretty simple. So you would have access towards the bottom of the car when you pop those covers off. And just don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thanks.